Hi, I'm back, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the products I got from BOXYLUXE, which is from BoxyCharm. And for this month, we got let me see, 2, 4, 6, 8. I got 9 products. Yep, this month we got 9 products, and they're full sample size products. And the first one that I received is this Radiant Dewy Mist Radiant Dew, which is a face mist. It's from Skin and Co, and it looks like this. So if you like a dewy radiant look, this is like a setting spray for you. And I'm gonna see what it smells like. So it smells like mint, like mint candy, or like, you know, like that chocolate mint they give you after you eat like some chicken wings. It smells like that kind of mint. It's for all skin types, and I don't think I will use this. I'll probably use it today just to see how it holds up, but I have oily skin, so I don't really go for like the dewy look. So I'll probably just use this today just to see how it holds up, whatever. But, and this product, let's see how much it is. This product right here is $35. So let's move on to the next one. Let's see, the Dominique Christina lip gloss, which I love. This is strawberry lemonade. I actually tested this yesterday, and it has no smell to it. It doesn't smell like strawberry or lemonade. I tried it on yesterday, and let me swatch it. It's like a pink color. And it kept my lips like moist all day, and it felt good, and it was real nice. I love that. I like lip gloss. Well, my favorite, I love lip gloss more than I do with lipstick. So and that product was, where is it, $17. So that's cute. Let's see what else we had this much. No Pores by Touch and Soul, and this is what it looks like, and then it comes out like that, and it's like real smooth on your skin or whatever. Like it looks oily, but it's not oily. It's like smooth, whatever. I actually used this primer yesterday for my face, and I like it. I actually like it. I'm trying to see, I have another primer by them, which I got from BoxyCharm. This is smooth and pore covering. This is like more thick, not too thick, but like creamy. It's like pink, and versus this one, it's clear. So both of these are really good. I like using these. I actually, under the foundation I wore them with, I use my ColourPop foundation sticks. That's what I wear with the primer with it, and it does actually a good job with it. I didn't try it with my Fenty foundation, so I'm gonna do that one day. But yeah, this is a real good primer. I like it. I actually have it on today. I got my makeup already and stuff like that. So yeah, and that product is, how much is it? That's $23, which is not bad. So we already did those 3. Let's see what else. Okay, this is the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. So I guess this is supposed to be like, you spray your hair and it gives it volume volume, which I don't think I'm gonna use, so I might give this away. So it's not gonna be for me, so put that to the side. Actually, that product was $29, so yep. Let's move on to the next one. This one is, oh, honeymoon glow night serum, and I guess it has like honey in it. It smells like honey and has a lot of ingredients in it. So this is what the box look like. And I guess you put this on at night or whatever. I haven't tried this product yet, but I'm gonna try it tonight. And oh, it's yellow. It kind of smells like I don't know, baby powder. I don't know. That's what it smells like. It doesn't smell like honey, it just smells like baby powder. So I don't know, that's weird. It's, let's see, I don't like the feel of it. It just feels like, I don't know, it just feels weird. Like it just feels like real loose. I like creamy products, but I guess it's supposed to be loose. This one is, oh, it's $58. It's the honeymoon glow. So yeah, I'll try it out, but I don't know. So this one is the Tarte Pro Glow palette, which it has blush, highlight, and like two little sides right here to do like your contour and stuff like that. Well, bronzer and stuff like that. So it's a cute palette. I haven't tried it. I might try it today in this video. So yeah. And that one is $45. One is the PYT Mini Turbo Dryer, which I think everybody was excited to receive this. So this is the dryer. I have the color, I guess it's like a coral color, and this is like how long the cord is, and it came with like 2 knobs to put on it. I guess this is for like to curl your hair up at the end, and it goes on just like that. So I haven't used it yet, but I can't wait to use it. I actually had the flat irons, which are really good, and then it has this right here that goes on it, and it came in this little travel size bag, which is cute. And this one is, oh my gosh, this dryer is $85. Wow. Vise mascara, and it's $25. It comes like this, and you open it like this, and you're supposed to pull this back piece down and like curl your eyelashes. Like, it looks like this. So I really wasn't into this product. So by Dr. Bandit, and don't worry about like the little dirt part on there. I don't know, it came like that. It had a seal on it when I opened the top, but I guess, I don't know. But I used this product yesterday and today, and I actually like it. It's smooth. It doesn't really have a smell. It's supposed to be a pH yogurt cleanser, and it's removes makeup, excess oil, pollution from everyday, all that stuff. And when I use this, my face like felt clean, so I thought it was a nice product. I'm gonna keep using it. And that one was $35, so this box is worth like $200 to $300. And this is what the card looked like. I thought it was a nice box this month. I have some favorite things in here that I use. Like my favorite one is the lip gloss and the face cleanser and the primer. So I have 3 favorite things, and the rest, oh, and I like the blow dryer. We're gonna get into this look that I'm gonna do today. I actually got this palette today. Dominique Cosmetics Rustic Glam. I'm so excited about this palette and to use it, and it's so huge. Like, look. This palette is so freaking cute. I love it. And it came with a protector, so yes. Oh, let me show what the packaging it came in. That's cute. So I'm gonna be trying that palette today, and also my Fenty lip gloss came today. I'm so excited about that. I don't have it on my lips though, so I'll try that later on. So right now I'm just gonna prime and set my eyes and then figure out what look I'm gonna do today. So I'm going to use Makeup Revolution concealer. You can see it. C1, and I got it for like $6, I think, at Ultra Beauty. So okay, so I just did a simple look, pink and orange look, simple look. Take the Tarte palette, well, the Tarte Glow, and I'm going to use the blush. Okay, so I told you guys I was going to try the Dewy Radiant Setting Spray, and I'm gonna try it right now.